Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Measure and combine 2 cups heavy cream, 1 cup whole milk, and 3/4 cup sugar in a saucepan for the rich ice cream base. Stir in 2 tablespoons instant coffee and 1 teaspoon vanilla to create the Jamoca flavor profile. Separate 4 egg yolks into a bowl and add a pinch of salt. These yolks will thicken the custard and add silkiness. Keep ingredients cold until ready. Prepare an ice bath to cool the cooked custard quickly after tempering the eggs. Warm the cream, milk, sugar, and coffee mixture over medium heat until tiny bubbles form at 170–175 degrees F, then remove it from the heat to prevent scalding. Whisk a ladle of the hot liquid into the 4 yolks to temper them, then slowly pour the warmed yolk mixture back into the pan while stirring constantly. Return to low heat and cook just until the custard coats the back of a spoon. Immediately strain. Cool in an ice bath, then refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight for best texture. Pour the well-chilled custard into your ice cream maker and churn for 20–25 minutes until it reaches a soft set, scoopable consistency. During the last 5 minutes of churning, fold in 1/2 cup toasted, chopped almonds for crunch and slowly stream in 3/4 cup hot fudge to create ripple veins. Do not overmix so ribbons stay distinct. Transfer the ice cream to a loaf pan or airtight container. Press plastic on the surface to minimize ice crystals, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.